what's up guys, we are back in a video reaction. Today we reacted at French rap. Okay guys, before starting the video, please leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, link in the description, comment to the next song, next reaction, and nothing guys, let's go. Oh my god. Comment with your favorite song of today, and nothing guys, let's go. The first song is Sheo, B, Moet, and Marion. Okay, let's go for... Whoa, how much views in only 3 days? Damn, son. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay.
Ça charbonne plus que ça frime. Retour méchant, ça s'affirme.
Oui, what the hell?
Mais pas que y a la poudre, mais je la mets plus dans mes buckles. Mauvais délire, je passe les drop dealers. Ce soir c'est la guerre, ce soir c'est la guerre.
The location, it's in the house. Damn, son. Damn, so that's very, very good. Damn, so. Oh my god, I don't know who is this rapper, but it's so good. This song is in trending. Damn, so. Oh my god, I like so much the beat. I don't understand nothing, but damn, song. Oh my god, let's go.
Mon footeur tire et vise la casquette, vite bandit. Je refais la cassette, hors de l'âge, devant comment faire devant le bâtiment, c'est la guerre. Ils me font les drogues dealers, donc je suis revenu mettre les pendules. Ce soir c'est la guerre, ce soir c'est la guerre. Ramène les accessoires, ce soir c'est la guerre. Ramène les accessoires, ce soir c'est la guerre.
Whoa, bro. Are you serious? That was so good. What the hell? The beat was so good. I like so much the location. I repeat, I like so much the location. I was in the house. Damn, so. Oh my god. What a quality. Damn, so. But the song, it's so short. But it's okay. That was so good. Wow. Bro. Damn, so let's go to listen to the next song. It's Gambino, Miami City. Okay, 500,000 views in 7 days, 1 week. It's good. Damn, let's go.
Abîmé, 13-0-15, ça fait des soleils. 13-0-15, on met tout niqué. Costa, toute l'équipe Testarossa. Oh, ma rosa. On est grave de voir dans ta city. De la cité, loin de la city. Ce soir, elle fait la malade dans une autre planète.
Hey, God!
Ce soir, elle fait la malade dans une autre planète. C'est vaille. Ce soir, complètement local. Je suis loin, je pense plus au rafale. On est grave de voir dans ta city. On te baisse pas une vidéo.
Damn, so the refrain was amazing. Damn, so I like so much his style. He's like, I don't know, Hornet, La Frappe, and Jules. That's the style. But damn, so he's so good. Damn, so maybe this is his house. Damn, so this house it's amazing. Oh my god, bro. Oh, let's go. Wow, this song was incredible. There also the style, and wow, the refrain was amazing. I repeat, that was amazing, bro. This song was so good. I repeat, that was like Hornet, La Frappe, and Jules in the same song. I don't know. The refrain was like this. But wow, damn, so let's go to listen to the next song. It's Tensi, 18 Carats, fit Gambi G. Whoa, oh my god. He dropped this song yesterday. Whoa, damn, so let's go. Oh yeah. Whoa.
Au cerveau, on laisse ça saigner, ça
face à fenêtre à cellule-là. Combien y'a bien quand il mettait un banane là. Je pas signé pour money à clochard. Si y'a pas chèque là, faut y marquer 200K. Walking by, nigga, tu fais walking by. Différents money pour stocker money là. C'est messieurs à l'aide des tirs.
Oh my god, what a girl damn song, guys. Oh my god. There are some, the girl, it's amazing. The song, it's amazing. The location, it's amazing. The beat, it's amazing. But the rapper, this rapper, I don't know who is. Maybe it's gonna be G or Tensi, I don't know. But it's like Offset of the Migos. I don't know why, but with the hair, there also with the style, it's like Offset. I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Let's go. There also, bro, that's a hit.
Dis-moi slow shit. Envoie la PCS, sinon tu restes un blip. Coquelin en l'offre, oui, t'étais ça qu'on s'en nana. On va café showcase le walking by, nigga, tu fais
Yeah, so the girls are amazing. So.
Un jassi, écoute, on sortit la joliette. Un l'autre drop et un game la toi. Nous si mitraillette qui aussi beretta. Les voisines nous banalité.
The house is amazing. Wow, beautiful. Oh my god.
Combien y'a bien quand il mettait. On veut pas signer pour money à clochard. Si y'a pas chèque là, faut y marquer. Walking by, nigga, tu fais walking by. Différents money pour stocker.
La rue, y'en a foutu des bras. Saccagé, l'argent ou la mort. Yeah. You know the...
Wow. There, so I repeat, I never listened this style in French rap. That was so good. He switched two different beats. Oh my god, damn. So, wow. Let's go to listen to the maybe the best songs for today. Jules Folie, he dropped this incredible song yesterday. 1 million views in 20 hours. Damn, so that's Jules. And the last, I don't want to say. Let's go. Okay, track, please.
Le regard qui tue, fait tourner la tête. Son corps, son visage, c'est mon sang. J'y vais tout seul, j'ai tout assumé tout seul.
Ouais.
Je choque depuis toutes ces années. Et je danse dans l'eau. Allez, snap, comme tu veux t'ambiancer. Et tu tasses pour
Wow. I like so much his style and his beats.
Survêt de la street, dans ta boîte de nuit, je prends mes sous, je chante, je me mets bleu, je fais. Ça me chauffe, que ça me chauffe, je choque depuis toutes ces années. Et je danse dans l'eau. Snap, comme tu veux t'ambiancer. Et tu tasses pour voyager.
That's only girls. Maybe. Whoa. Amazing. This song was amazing. Oh my god, one of the best songs for today. Damn son, Jules broke the track. Damn son. Bro, but 1 million views in 20 hours. That's amazing. Oh my god. Wow. Very, very good. The production, all. And I like so much the edits in the video. They are so very good to the production. I don't know who produced this song. That's... oh man. I don't know. That's not in description. But wow, very, very good. Let's go to listen the last song. And my favorite rapper. There, so it's Nino, Lettre a un FM. Clip official. Okay. Maybe I know the title, but let's go. I know the translation. Yeah,
c'est comme une
let's go,
maladie. Faut
Nino.
vraiment savoir où j'ai mal. Et tes copines veulent
1
tout
million
gâcher.
views.
Il me faut une panthère qui ressemble à ma mère. À la vie, à la muerte.
Damn,
Que
son.
nous deux, fuck le reste. C'est toi la best. La classe à faire ici, c'est je te ferai plus jamais souffrir. Et tes copines disent que c'est mort, rien à ma folie. Hey, hey. Je sais qu'elle est jalouse, je dois me barrer en choqué. Je dis que nous deux dans le bolide. On se balade depuis tout à l'heure. J'ai les clés des portes de Paris. Baby, ça sera une princesse. Je voulais juste la paix. Moi et ma bella dans le classé. Yeah, jusqu'en
That's
bout,
a-
je sais que t'as kiffé. Je le vois dans ton
I love
sourire.
song.
Une putain de vidéo G. Je sais qu'elle m'aime à la folie. Je sais qu'elle m'aime à la folie. Hey, hey.
No, why? This song is so short. There, son. Wow, wow. Okay, I know you want my top 3. Now, okay. In the last position of the top 3, there's Jules. Folie. Damn, so this song was amazing. I like so much the edits, the girls, all. In the second position, there's Nino. This song was so good, but it's so short. Nino, if you watch this video, why this song is so short? Why? But in the second position, there's Nino, and in the first, you know, Tensi 18 carats. There, so this was amazing. Oh my god. Wow. There, so. Okay, guys. Thank you very much to watch this video. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, link in description. Comment if you want other reactions to French rap. Comment to the next song, next reaction, next country. All if you want, comment. Please guys, tell me in the comments what you think about my videos. All, please guys, comment and nothing guys. Only love for France. Love you very much. You are the best rap in Europe. Thank you very much guys to watch this video. See you in the next video. Woo!